What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Quick update for Matic as well as ETH. Currently we're seeing 86 cents. We're up 0.72 on the day. See a market cap of 8.05 billion. 24-hour volume, 237 million. Let's hop into the chart. So a couple of scenarios for Matic. We could come down in that wave 5, just sideways choppy price action right now, or the bullish scenario is that the 5-way move is complete, this pullback is finished, we pulled up in a 1, and you could be looking at an ABC. You could look at like ABC into a wave 2 and then looking to push up in a wave 3. If we can come up and break about 90 cents, that would be more confirmation of the bullish scenario. And if we break down and we lose this low at about 84 cents, then that's where you can start to come down to about 78 cents. We just basically have to wait for the breakout. On the daily time frame, we almost came down to our support of about 78 cents, which is a major level. We do have a strong bullish divergence on the daily money flow, but usually support and resistance are like magnets for the price, so we still may come down there. But if we can start to get back above the 20 EMA on the daily and back above the 55, then more confirmation of that breakout to the upside. ETH, pretty similar. I am leaning a little bit bullish, but if this pattern were to break down, then you could definitely see continuation down. You'd probably look at an ending diagonal for a wave 5 to about 1703. But if we break out of this ascending triangle, then this 5-way move down could be completing the wave C, completing this large wave 2, and you'd be looking at a wave 1 pulling back in a wave 2, pushing up in a wave 3. And we have a small ascending triangle. If it were to break, then your upside target is about 1882. But if it does break down, and then that's when you see continuation down to 1703, and that would take you down to about 1747. So we just have to wait until this pattern breaks. There is currently a holiday in Canada. It might be in the UK as well, Victoria Day. So the market's moving pretty slow. Looking at the daily chart, we had our inverse head and shoulders. We came back. We're holding as support. We are underneath the 20 and the 55 EMA. They haven't quite printed the bearish cross, but if we bounce, we get back above them. Continuation up to about 1718. Money flow is getting low. RSI hasn't quite reset yet on the daily chart, but I do think a breakout's around the corner, whether we have one more lower low or not. So that's it for this little update. More confirmation for Matic if we can start to come up and break these highs about 88 cents, especially if we break about 90 cents, the wave 4 high. Then you can see the continuation to the upside. And if we come down, we lose this support at about 84 cents, higher likelihood of coming down to that 78 cent price target before bouncing and seeing continuation to the upside. All right, gang. We are currently in 3 trades, one for Bitcoin, one for Sandbox, one for Ethereum. You can have a 30-day free trial to my trade signals if you sign up to Bickit or Bybit. Make your first deposit, takes 2 minutes, and then email me your sign up email. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis. The analysis is posted daily. Member profits, how to all plays crypto news. Or it's $10 a month for direct access. Sign up to the Patreon link, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.